Hello, welcome to tutorialsfor.com. Now we are going to see different styles of buttons in CSS3. So first we'll create a Word document, that is a HTML page. So we'll keep the name as button.html. Save. So we'll delete this one. So open with your text editor. So I will use Notepad++. So first we will create HTML tag. Next, head title tutorialsfor.com. Buttons. So title and it was the head. Next, open the body and close the body. Then HTML. Okay, fine. So we have designed some basic layout of HTML. Now we will create a button. So first we will use the button tag. Button. We'll name that button as button1. So different styles with a different button name. Button close. Okay. So for this different style, we have to create the style sheet for that one. So we will use this style tag to create the style for that button. Style close. First one we will see the ordinary button. So for that we'll give class as button1. So it will be the first button with normal shapes and size. So we will give the width for that one with approximately 200 pixels. So it will be bigger one, and height 60 pixels. Then we'll give the font size for around 23 pixels. Then I will give the background color. So usually I will use color pick to pick the background of color. So let me grab this blue color. Sorry. So we have grabbed this blue color, copy this one, and we'll paste it here, and we will use that class here. So class button1. So that's it. So first one, we will create a button. We'll open that one. Okay, good. So let me center that button. So for that we'll use some HTML default. So margin, that should be 0 and auto, and we'll give the width of the HTML tag. Width will be around 900 pixels. So that button will be in the center of the page. Okay, so it will be there. Fine. So this is the button one. Let me create the second button. So we'll give the break to differentiate between the button 1 and button 2. Okay, next we'll create the button 2. So insert, just copy that one and paste, and change it to button 2 here, change it to button 2. So for that we have to create a separate CSS for that one. So we'll create button 2. So okay, in this button 2 we are going to use a radius, that is a border radius tag. So we'll just copy everything as we did in the button 1 and paste it here. And here we just be going to curve that shape of the button, that is we're going to change the edges of the buttons. For that we have to use border underscore radius. First we'll give the 15 pixels, and and we'll check X. Okay, you can see that one, the edges of the buttons has been curved. To better view, let me see. So first we will give that 15 pixel, then 0 0 pixel, and then 0 pixel, and then 0 pixel. That is first one is for this one is for top left, and this one is for top right, and this one is for bottom right, and fourth one is for there is this one, fourth one is for bottom left. Okay, first we will see this one. So in this option we will the top right will be only the curve, so you can see that one. Top right will be, top left will be the curve, but other things are be as usual, this like in the same one, that is 0 pixels. So then next we will change this one, 15 pixels, that is a top right. Okay, reload it one. Okay, you can see that one. So now bottom right. Okay, cool. The next one is bottom left. Reload. Okay, so we have created the second style of the button. Next we'll give this some uh, shadows for this one. So for shadow, border underscore shadow. So in this one we have to use three things, that is four things. First one is x-axis, next one is y-axis, and then next one is shadow ratio, and fourth one is color. Okay, this is a default one, so we will change this one. So we will give the x-axis. So x-axis has basic 5 pixels, and then y-axis will give us test with 5 pixels, and shadow ratio will give around 5 pixels, and we'll give the background color as black so that we can differentiate. Okay, let me reload the page. Sorry, something is gone. Border underscore shadow, sorry, no comma. Okay, sorry, it's not border underscore shadow, it's box underscore shadow. Now we'll see that one. Okay, you can see that one, that is the shadow has been down to x-axis, that is downwards, x-axis 5 pixels, and right 5 pixel, and the shadow has been 5 pixel, the color is black. Now we'll change the first one, that is we'll give 25, that is left, so it will move downwards, right, sorry, x-axis, so it's move right hand side, and we'll change that to 25, so it's in the y-axis, you can see that one. So next one we'll change that shadow, see that one, the blur type, so we'll give 5 5 5, and I will check that one, so it will look like that. So suppose if the shadow want to move from right to left, what we have to do, we have to give the minus symbol here as well as the minus symbol here. Okay, so we have to give minus 5 pixel and minus 5 pixel, so that we can see that one, the shadow will move towards left and top, instead of moving from down and right. If we give the minus, it will move top and left. So we can adjust using this x and y axis, that is x and y axis. And next finally we're going to see the linear gradient of the button. So for that one we have to give background image to be linear gradient. So in this so better we can give that black, and we can see, yeah, the gradient look. So in the bottom, or if you want to give left, you can give left. If you want to give right, you can give right, or if you want to give top right, it's right. So you can see that one, same thing. So you can give that left, right, top, bottom, like that, and you can design the buttons. Thanks for watching.